When the music hits, the jet lag quits. 90's night. 90's outfit. Huh? Red pill or blue pill? Oh. Number one hit. Celebrating my sister-in-law birthday and in a 90's bar. Boston. Dope music selection. I love it. You know this track?
I don't.
Legend. Alright. Birthday girl.
Don't know what to do.
I want to push this.
No, can't you?
Kiss me, baby, one more time.